From this to this.
Here we have a nice, portable, flexible tool bag. We're gonna give it a try and see how we can organize my messy bike tools. As you can see, they're a mess. And if I need to take them anywhere, this is just a mess. All this is a mess. So I need to organize my tools into a better kit. You can see it's a little messy up here too. I don't know if all this stuff's gonna fit in, but we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna leave the tools on the bike stand here because I use these all the time. So these will stay here. A couple of things about these hard containers is they're just a pain in the butt to get off the shelf because they're not flexible. They're a pain in the butt to carry around if you've got them open like this, because like I just did, something slipped off and then another thing fell off and it's a pain in the butt. Whereas if you have this, it's flexible, it's easy to get around things, it's easy to carry around, it's got a nice handle, and I can hopefully get these 3 toolboxes into this one kit. That's my goal. So let's see if we can do that. And we're gonna get started right now. First, I'm gonna open this baby up so you can see how big it really is. There it is. That's pretty cool. This should be able to hold a lot of items. We've emptied this one out. So the cool thing here is a lot of these pockets can hold more than one. So I've got 3 in here. We've just put one full kit into here and we still have quite a bit of room here. These are instructions. I'm just gonna slide those in there for both of these things. I found some more cool tools here. We'll just throw these in here. Now we've gotten rid of 2. Who doesn't need a toothbrush? You use a toothbrush for so many different things on the bike. Put this in here as a reminder to always check your shock pressure. If it gets too low, you'll wreck it. That's what happened here. Boom, just like that. 3 annoying plastic containers consolidated into one. And now let's see if we can close it. Get this flap back out. And we just snap it onto the snaps. There's 1. There's 2. Fold it into 3s. There we go. I think that'll be better right there. Tighten it down. Clamper. Tighten it down. Clamper. Now I've got all my tools from 3 containers, boom, in one. Look at that. And it's just as big as one of the containers. This container is almost as big as just this, except for that's a lot nicer. That shelf was full of containers of tools. Heck yeah, space savings right there. If you want one of these cool bad boys, I'll have a link in the description where you can go to the lab and you can snag one. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the bag instead of the hard cases. This seems like it's a better option. Yeah, I know it's a better option for me. One that rules all of those. Yeah, this is way cooler. I like this. I'm excited. I'll have a link in the description to some cool bike books that I've read and to the GoPros I use. If you like bikes, help support the channel and grab some bike stickers. I put them on my vehicles. Stay tuned for more epic bike content in the coming videos, and don't miss out by subscribing and clicking the bell so you get notified when they are released. Also look in the description below for my 90-day Getting Started in Mountain Bike ebook. It'll make your life easier when it comes to getting everything you need to get on the bike. Click on one of these videos to continue your bike journey.